Okay, hi. This video is actually about gravity. So what you can see here, oh, is the code for some gravity. Now you can do gravity in all sorts of different ways. This is the most basic way to do it. So basically I went in to events, when clicked, I told it to put my sprite at 2020. You could have 00, you can have it wherever you want. It's about where you start. Then I did a variable. So if you click down here on variables, you can see I've got gravity. I had to create that. I clicked on make a variable, I typed in gravity, I said for all sprites. The reason why that's important is because it means that gravity will apply to all sprites I have in my game. So the same gravity effect will occur for all sprites. So we do cancel. If it was for this sprite only, most often you're going to be for all sprites, but sometimes it'll be for a single sprite. Then what I did is I put the forever loop in, and then I did this command. If touching color, change y by 0, otherwise change y by gravity. So that's -3. So what that means here is when I've got my space key, if I press my space key, I jump and I drop back down until I hit the purple because the purple's up here. Now, the important thing is when you go into a backdrop, they're using this outline thing. Now, I could have chosen that blue outline that's there, or I could have chosen the main purple. I've chosen the main purple. So what I would do here if I was you is I would actually highlight the box and make there no border. So you should see that the border's gone, and it has. Excuse me. So what we've got now is left and right, and you can see him walking along, and I've got gravity when I jump. I can't jump and move. That's a different type of coding, which I'm going to show you somewhere else. But this is just to show you the basics of gravity. Just be conscious that the reason why when I change direction, the cat changes direction is because I've got point in direction 90 or -90, depending on which way I'm going. And I've also done next costume to give the illusion of walking, because the cat has the two costumes. Okay, so that's just something else you can do as well. And now he jumps. And if I press stop and press play, he just drops in. Alright, so he will always keep moving downwards until he hits purple. And you can do it on colour, you can do it all sorts of things. I could have created a sprite down here, so I could have done paint, and I could have done a box, and I could have done a sprite. And then if I go to my backdrop and I delete that, see how he's continuing to move because he's not touching. That's my fault. So then we come back here, we press stop, we go to code, and instead of touching color, we actually don't have that command. We move that over there, we bring in sensing, and we say if touching sprite 2, change by 0. So now when I press the flag, ta-da! And if I move sprite 2, he's going to move and then he falls through it. That's just the way it works. And there you go. Okay? So that's how that works. I hope that's helpful.